Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Canva app not responding. Step 1. Explain the issue. If the Canva app is frozen, not opening or keeps crashing on your iPhone, follow those steps to fix it. Step 2. Force close Canva. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find the Canva app and swipe it up to close completely. Now reopen Canva and check if it responds. Step 3. Check internet connection. Canva needs an active internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening Safari or another app to confirm internet is working. Step 4. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, then restart your iPhone. Press volume up plus power button, then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Step 5. Update Canva app. Next, open the App Store, then search for Canva. If an update is available, tap Update and outdated apps obtain stop responding. Step 6. Check storage space. First go to the settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space since low storage can cause apps to freeze. Step 7. Final check. Open Canva again. If it loads normally, the problem is fixed, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.